Hello everyone. Today is what do you call it? Vintage toy selling day. We're letting go of this little beast here. See Kentrosaurus from Dino Riders with its accessories. So may nagka-interest sa carousel. Actually no December pa to. So ngayon lang kayo mag-meet sa MOA. He's from Bulacan. And he wanted to get this. Although this is incomplete, wala siyang upuan na sa left side and some cannons, pero meron siyang tail whip tsaka yung brain box wala. So this is one of my doubles. Kasi ang hirap bumili ng Kentrosaurus noon. Dapat magbubuo ka by buying different Kentrosauruses kasi nga incomplete. Oh, tumayo weapons niya. So nakabuo na ako, so this is my extra. I'm going to let go of this, pero medyo mabigat sa loob kasi gusto ko sana mag-army, pero sayang eh. Sayang yung opportunity din, may buyer naman. And then tsaka maalagaan siya nung bagong buyer. Okay na yung siguro kahit isang Kentro lang doon. Medyo excessive na kasi yung maraming yung may army build pa. Okay na yung isa-isa. And then yung pera, pambili natin ng bagong toy. Kung ikot lang ang pera, kailangan umiikot ang pera, diba? So we're off to MOA now and we're going to meet him. Buo mo na. Yan. Oh, may nagpagpag pa. So again, these are one of the rarest Dino Riders out there. Kaya okay na rito sa presyo niya. Good deal na rito. With Croc. Ayan si Croc sa loob. Croc with the K. Yung rada niya. Yung trainer niya. So ayan. See you soon. Or see you later. Kentro. Be good to your new owner. So lapit na tayo sa MOA. I'll ask the buyer kung pwede ko siyang i-vlog. Pero kung hindi, okay lang. Done deal.
Done
deal. Thank you, Sir Jabbar.
Thank you.
Ayan na siya.
Kentrosaurus, Dino Riders,
Oo.
80s.
So thank you again.
Thank you
Ingat ka
po.
pa uwi from Bulacan pa.
Yes po. Yes po. Ingat
So
din,
done
sir.
deal. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
God bless
Thank
po.
you so much. God bless too.